Harper, can you take one and feed me two?
No.
You don't want? Why don't you want to share with me? Okay. Can we share?
No.
Why?
好吃。
Harper, what did you find?
I don't know.
葱油饼吗？我们现在要吃葱油饼 ，Harper. Do you like it? You want to eat some more? Okay.
很大口对不对？
Okay. Let me eat some too, and let's find another thing. You don't want me to eat? So you want to finish this by yourself? Harper, it's not okay. We buy a lot of things, but one by one, so we share, okay?
我先吃再换。
Harper 不看的时候我可以吃。喂，大哥，因为太油了。好，我们先吃这个，然后找另外一个东西哦。我们第二个食物是地瓜球啊，我们的妈妈也很喜欢这个，可是她不在哦。啊 ，Harper, you can eat. Sorry, mommy. Right? Zana, Harper, can you take one and feed me two?
No.
You don't want? Why don't you want to share with me?
你看哦，
Thank you. 我们找到一个角落，要吃我们的小薯饼哦。Harper, here is your 小薯饼。Yay! You're welcome. Do you like it?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
里面有葱哦。好吃。What should I say, Harper?
好吃好吃。
Okay, so you really like it, right? Okay. 我们还有买红豆虾饼哦。Harper, are you done? Okay. Do you want to eat
Yes.
红豆虾饼？
耶耶，我要吃。
Okay. But it's slowly. It's a little bit hot, but I think it's not too hot. How is it?
It's good.
Really? Can I eat too?
那你自己拿一个。
I don't have. We just bought one. Can we share?
No.
Why? Harper, if you eat that, you will feel full, so we cannot eat the next one.
那你吃一点点。
Okay, okay. Let me eat.
这样一点点。
Let me take a bite.
No.
Huh? You don't want me to bite?
A sip.
Harper, I'm sorry. It's too sweet. So I have to eat some more, okay? Okay? 我们的这个要吃的是什么？玉米是什么？玉米 OK. But can we share?
我们买一大块，然后我们一人分一半。
Okay, okay. Deal, right? Deal. Hey, this is okay. Cool. Let's go. Harper, how's your corn? Good. Okay. Look at your face. All corn. Okay, I will clean it later. Harper, what are you drinking?
Juice.
Juice. What juice?
Apple and orange.
Apple and orange. Okay, it's getting ready. How's your drink, Harper? Harper, are you happy today?